In this short tutorial, I am going to show you how to download and sign in to the Notion AI application. It's super quick and easy. So let's get started. First of all, open the Play Store on your device. In the search bar, type Notion AI and download the official Notion app. Once installed, open the Notion AI application. Now you will see several sign-in options. I am searching Google. Then select your Google account to continue. Now Notion will ask how you plan to use the app. I am selecting for personal life. Next, it will ask how you want to use Notion. Pick the option that suits you. Then select your interest areas and then tap continue through a few setup screen around 4 times. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded and signed in to the Notion AI application. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.